In this video, we are going to learn how to use the ortho mode and polar and the importance of using ortho and polar along with the line tool. Let's begin by clicking on the line tool. Now, once we have clicked on the line tool, we will now go and click on the ortho mode. The shortcut for the ortho mode is F8. Ortho enables you to draw perpendicular lines, as you can see in the icon given down here. Click, 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 and click. Press enter or spacebar to exit the command. You will notice that I have drawn something which resembles a square using the ortho mode. When a person is in the ortho mode and they are using the line tool to draw, you will only be able to draw at intervals of 90 degrees. Even if you try to draw in any other direction, you will not be able to draw anything other than perpendicular lines. Make a marquee selection. You can use either blue or green. Right now I have used blue selection. As long as my objects are within the selected area, my objects are selected, and hit the delete option on the keyboard. Next to ortho, you have something which is called polar. Polar tracking, the shortcut used is F10. When you click on polar, you can draw lines in any direction, say 30-degree angles, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, or any other increment as you specify. Right click over here and you can go and choose from a host of options available, or you could enter into the settings and choose a customized option for an angle of increment. Right now over here the increment angle is 90. Let's change it to 42.5. So now I am setting the polar tracking to an increment angle of 42.5. That means every time I am at an angle of 42.5 or a multiple of that, you will see a dotted line which shows the reference of the increment angle. Click on OK and go to the line tool. If you notice, when we chose the polar option, the ortho automatically got disabled. That is the idea. Either ortho or polar, either of them can work. Either ortho is on or polar is on. Both cannot be simultaneously on. Click over here and you will see a dotted line. This dotted line is a multiple of 42.5 degrees which we chose as our increment angle. Click over here. Click again over here. Click again over here. Click again over here. Can you see the dotted line? Click again. Press enter to exit. Make a marquee, select the object and hit the delete. So let's revise it again. Ortho mode, shortcut F8 enables us to draw lines at perpendiculars. Next to it we have polar tracking, then enables us to draw lines at any increment angle. You can right click and you can choose from these options available, or you could also go into settings and choose a customized increment angle as per your requirement. Click on OK. Thanks for watching.